Yo, what's up everybody? It's Infinity. We got to talk about the elephant, or should I say the in-the-room AI. It's not some distant sci-fi future anymore. It's here, it's evolving crazy fast, and it's about to change. We've all seen the movies, right? Robots taking over, humans fighting for survival. But this isn't about some dystopian fantasy. This is about understanding the impact of AI on the job market, specifically which jobs are on the chopping block, and more importantly, what can do about it. Over the next few minutes, we're diving deep into 10 jobs that AI is predicted to significantly disrupt or even replace by 2030. But this isn't meant to scare you, it's about empowering you. We're going to unpack these changes are happening, and most importantly, what skills you can learn to stay ahead of the curve and thrive in this new landscape. Let's go! First up, we've got data entry clerks. Look, no surprise here, this is all about automation. AI eats up repetitive tasks like nobody's business, and data entry is, well, pretty much the definition of repetitive. Think about it. Inputting numbers, transferring info, it's all rule-based, which is for AI to swoop in and do it faster and cheaper. But here's the silver lining. While AI handles the grunt work, it opens up opportunities at a higher level. Instead of just data, you can level up to it. Understanding what that data, spotting trends and providing insights, those are the skills that will be in high demand. Think about learning SQL, Python for data analysis, or even just getting comfortable with Excel. Trust me, these skills are like superpowers in an AI-driven world. Next up, telemarketers. Let's be real, nobody enjoys getting those robotic calls, right? Well, guess what? Soon those calls really be from robots, and they'll probably be more persuasive than ever. AI-powered voice assistants and chatbots are already crazy good at handling basic customer interactions, and they're only going to get better. But hold up, before you ditch your headset, think about this. The human touch is still valuable. Instead of cold calling, focus on building relationships and providing personalized experiences. Things AI can't replicate yet. Look into digital marketing, social media strategies, or even learning how to use customer relationship management, CRM tools. It's about understanding customer needs and tailoring your approach, something AI hasn't quite mastered. All right, let's talk customer support. We've all interacted with those basic chatbots, right? They're getting smarter, but they still hit a wall when things get complex. Now, 80% of basic queries being handled by AI might sound scary, but again, it's all about adaptation. Think about it. As AI takes over those routine questions, you have the chance to become a high-level problem solver. Instead of just answering FAQs, you could be designing seamless user experiences, UX, or providing expert technical support. Learning about user interface design, troubleshooting complex issues, that's where the real value will be. We've all seen the self-checkout kiosks and mobile payment options popping up everywhere. The writing's on the wall for traditional retail cashier roles. But here's the thing. While the point of sale might be changing, the need for managing inventory, understanding customer behavior, and creating a smooth shopping experience hasn't gone anywhere. This is where you flip the script. Instead of just processing transactions, learn about e-commerce platforms, inventory management systems, even things like visual merchandising for online stores. The retail landscape is evolving, and those who can adapt will thrive. Grammarly, anyone? Look, AI-powered writing assistants are already insanely good at catching errors and suggesting improvements, and they're only going to get more sophisticated. So, if your entire skill set revolves around spotting typos, you might want to, well, diversify. But here's the deal. While AI can fix your commas, it can't write engaging, compelling copy that connects with an audience. That's where you come in. Ditch the red pen and pick up some new skills. Copywriting, content strategy, SEO optimization. These are the skills that will make you invaluable in the age of AI-generated content. Okay, picture this. Robotic arms flipping burgers, automated systems taking orders and delivering food right to your table. The fast food industry is being flipped literally by automation. But hold on, before you swear off burgers forever, there's a bigger picture here. As robots handle the repetitive tasks, the demand for skilled professionals in food safety hygiene standards, and even things like programming and maintaining those robotic kitchens will skyrocket. It's not about working fast food, it's about working the future of food. Think about certifications in food safety, learning about restaurant tech, or even exploring the world of culinary innovation. All right, this one might sting a little. AI is already writing clean, efficient code, and it's only a matter of time before it can handle more complex tasks. But before you throw your keyboard out the window, remember, coding is a creative process, and AI is still catching up on that front. Instead of focusing on basic coding tasks, think about specializing in areas like AI development itself, prompt engineering, teaching AI to write better code, or systems architecture. The key is to stay ahead of the curve, understanding the tools AI uses and leveraging them to build even more innovative solutions. Self-driving cars and trucks are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're test driving on our roads right now. The implications for professional drivers are huge, but it's not an instant dead end. Think about it. As autonomous vehicles become more common, the demand for skilled professionals to manage those fleets, ensure safety protocols, and even handle specialized maintenance will increase. Instead of driving, you could be managing logistics, overseeing vehicle AI systems, or even working on the development of self-driving technology itself. The legal field is all about information, and AI is incredibly efficient at processing and analyzing massive amounts of data. This means paralegals who focus on tasks like document review, legal research, and case filing might see their roles shift significantly. But here's the thing. While AI can handle the grunt work, the human element of law understanding complex legal arguments, negotiating settlements, and providing strategic counsel, that's where you can shine. Look into areas like legal tech, compliance analysis, or even specializing in the ethical implications of AI in law. Remember the last time you went inside a bank? Yeah, me neither. Online banking, mobile payments, and AI-powered financial advisors are changing the game. Traditional bank teller roles are becoming increasingly automated. But here's the opportunity. As technology takes over routine transactions, you can become a trusted advisor, helping customers navigate the increasingly complex world of finance. Think about specializing in areas like fintech, personalized financial planning, or even ethical investing. So there you have it, 10 jobs that AI is likely to transform in a big way by 2030. But here's the key takeaway. This isn't about robots stealing our jobs. It's about us adapting to a changing landscape. Don't fear AI. Learn with it. Embrace the change. Be proactive and focus on developing skills that complement and leverage the power of AI. Remember, the most valuable asset you have is your ability to learn and adapt. If you want more insights into navigating your career in the age of automation, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We'll be diving deep into the skills you need to thrive in the future of work.